Here's how to solve this ACT problem faster using your TI-84. I'm Tina from my tutor. Let's jump in. Matrices are something that not a lot of students are familiar with and might struggle with or just randomly take a guess on this question. Let me show you how to use your calculator. So to solve a matrices problem, it's going to be a shortcut that we use. So I'm trying to find what C is in this case. So I'm going to start off by doing 2. Now we need to enter the A matrix. So to get the matrix, I'm going to hit alpha zoom, which opens up the shortcut menu. And this is a 2 by 2 matrix. So I'm going to make sure I have 2 rows, 2 columns, and then you scroll down and hit OK. And it makes it look just like a matrix. So I'm going to put in the values 3, 5, -2, and 1. And on this problem, I'm going to do 2a, which we just put in, minus 3, and I need to do another matrix. So alpha zoom again, okay, and the values here, -4, 5, 2, and 1. Hit enter, and I have my answer. 18, -10, -5, -1. F is the correct answer. If you want more TI-84 shortcuts for the ACT and SAT, don't forget to follow and check out the free TI-84 starter pack in my bio. Slay the day.